This review is of Hu Dark Chocolate Baking Gem, 70% cacao. Simple ingredients: organic and paleo, no refined sugar, cane sugar, sugar alcohols, erythritol, soy, gluten, palm oil, lecithins, emulsifiers, and it is vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, fair trade, paleo, USDA organic. That's a lot of things. No, wait, did I see that on the front? Lecithin, okay. And here is the blurb. Now, you have to understand that there's still sugar in here because of the dates. It's not like there's no sugar. And I don't see... Oh, fair trade cocoa is 70%. 1 tablespoon has got 7 grams of fat, of which 4 are saturated, 5 milligrams of sodium, no cholesterol. 7 grams of carbs, of which 2 are dietary fiber, 4 are added sugars, and 1 gram of protein. And here are the ingredients, which is very, very simple. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. All right. I can smell the dates. I haven't been on a date in a long time. Well, the problem with using dates, coconut sugar, palm sugar, is that those natural flavors they have tend to wash out the flavor of other things like chocolate. So rather than tasting a nice strong chocolate at 70%, I am tasting a weak chocolate with date flavor. Now, don't get me wrong. It's nice. And if you're okay with that, that's great. But it's not going to help your diabetes because it's got sugar in it. The 2 grams of dietary fiber will help, but they're not going to save you. For me personally, the flavor is kind of disappointing. I'll give it a 6. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.